Mama Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint for entertainment. Mama Put is a special kind of buka. A buka for our jolly jolly. Mama Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint with a great difference. Mama Put is a special kind of buka. Boy, boy, this buka is a special joint.
You get the mind. Gather stone, pack full plate for me. Make her for shop, Abi.
Hi. See you. When you dey come up for this house, you give me chop money. You want make I cut my head, put for plate, give you chop.
Every of this community, everybody must hear this.
You know the shame.
Hey. So after all this nonsense, what you don't do, you still the sharp man, they follow me, Abi. You see the sharp man, they follow me. The common stress within my body. Now what did I do now?
To comot stress. Now make you leave your house. They dance for road. You know how long God don't they call you? You know here. Oh. Okay, tell me. If all these mad people, people say them be drivers, we don't drink full head. Take speed, they come now. You never sweep you come out for road. Down now, you can't talk another thing. Say they don't die. You they dance. Come on stress. With the dance. Now you they walk out for main road. They dance. See, make I tell you. Waiting they tell you make you do. Go back to your house. Put your music. Cool music, oh. Put her. They listen to them. Small. You don't even know when you go sleep off. Now be the stress where they say make you relieve. Not be to put music. They dance like a madman for road. If they dance at just go.
Mama Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint for entertainment. Mama Put is a special kind of buka.
You see what I tell you. I tell you. Now like this way they stay. Chop food, you know they chop food. Talk to person, you know they talk to person. No need to sit down on your own.
Oga Donna. Rosa. Now what do you really cause this thing?
My sister. Since when you lose in job, now like this way they stay. To talk to person na wahala. To chop food, problem.
Hi. This one bad though. E no good at all. See, now stress na they cause this thing. And it don't lead them to depression. And if you continue like this, now serious health problem na go get to.
Health problem? God forbid.
God forbid, my sister. But you must understand, say, Donna they pass through difficult time now. And you need to help him. In fact, you must help him, make him pull through. Because to him like this, he be unless a person where they close to and die. Yes, now.
I be think say na this work when you lose, now they make am like that. They stay as they stay.
No. You not supposed to think like that. My people. If you not there for this kind of situation, as Donna dey, abeg, make una allow una family and friends to support you for the good of your mental health and state of mind. You suppose rest well. Eat well. See, then talk say, if one door close, another one go open. And na person wey get life, na im get hope to get good job. Abeg, make una try. Make una no kill una sef. e go better. Yes, e go better. Eh, Rosa?
Ozioma, what you talk not true. I just hope say you go understand them like that.
No worry yourself. Just make sure say in the rest well, they eat good food. You don't finish. I hear say Papa Fubi nowhere. Make I go see him. I don't know why everybody just dey sick like that oh. Eh?
My sister na the economy. Na the economy. See, e dey everywhere. Hunger dey kill people. E dey everywhere now.
Economy or no economy, we no suppose kill ourselves. You hear?
Na true you talk.
I
Yeah?
dey come.
God bless you, yeah?
Oh.
Donna, my love. You know say I love you. And I promise you say I go do anything what I go do to make sure say you come out of this depression. I beg of you. Eh? I beg you know say na only you what I get. I no wan lose you. You wan make I die. I beg. Yeah? I love you. I don't know say you still remember say I love you.
Ozioma, thank you very much. We thank you well. Now only God now go bless you.
Ozioma. Thank you well. God now go bless you.
He go bless you too.
Amen.
Like I advised una before. Make una take things easy. Need dey think too much. E go better. Eh? Una need to relax una self. You see, as una dey prepare to get another pikin so, una no need stress at all. Abi una never hear say stress dey cause infertility for both man and woman. Yes now.
Ozioma,
Eh?
now wetin you talk?
So you no know? Una no know?
I no be no. Mama Fubi,
My husband.
you don't hear am? No be say I go come go I go get stress for outside. I go see enter inside my house, I go still get stress. At least when I don't stress outside, I can't come inside house. You suppose make my mind cool so that I go dey happy. I think you don't hear what you matter.
My husband. Now true you talk. Eh? No worry. It no go happen again at all. I no go do am again.
You sure? You sure? You don't tell where you never do me that thing. Give me one now. For you. You dey shame?
Papa Fubi, abeg, make I start to dey go before una dey do this una husband and wife thing.
No wahala.
Ozioma.
You don't try go.
Ozioma.
Mama Fubi.
No worry. I won't go cook chicken pepper soup for you.
What forward and I want?
Which your forward? You don't start.
What forward and I
No wahala. No wahala. I go cook am.
Okay.
Special joint. Welcome to Mama Special Buka.
Mama, wetin happen? Talk.
My heart.
Mama,
My heart.
wetin happen? Talk now.
My heart.
Ozioma, anybody dey here? Mama, go, mama. I no know wetin dey do my mama.
My heart.
Hey, mama, wait, mama get up. Sorry. Hey, wetin happen?
My heart.
No, I be dey comot o, na she dey escort me. She wan dey shout her heart.
Madam Cash,
Ozioma,
how you doing now?
fine.
Welcome. Thank you.
Come and join us.
Hey, thank you. Thank you. Hey, Madam Cash.
Eh?
This one are the test results.
Ah.
See am.
Open am now. I sabi the thing wey dey write there. Open am abeg, read am out make I see wetin e dey
Make
talk.
I open am.
Open am.
Okay. No wahala. Madam Cash,
Huh?
wetin dis test result dey talk be say your BP dey high and then your iodine level dey low.
I no dey think of anything. Wetin I go do? I no dey think of anything. For this iodine thing, I no know wetin that one mean o. I no know wetin e be.
Madam Cash,
Eh?
iodine na mineral wey dey for some food
Eh?
and our body need am to dey healthy.
Eh?
Yes.
But I dey chop all the vegetable wey you say make I dey chop now. Even the fruits, I dey lick am. I dey even tell Nkechi, anytime Nkechi go market, he go buy plenty fruits come.
Na true. Na me dey buy am na. Shey na
I
you
dey
say
lick
mo
am.
dey buy.
Madam Cash.
Eh?
See na true say I don tell you say you need to eat fruits and vegetable. But the amount of iodine wey dey for fruit and vegetable, e no dey enough for person body. Na im make doctors dey come prescribe say you need to use iodine salt dey cook. Normally no be the one wey you go carry plenty salt put inside. Just take salt wey get iodine dey cook. E go come help your health, your body balance.
So if I wan go buy salt na, I go tell dem say make dem give me iodine salt.
Yes, salt wey get iodine.
Eh.
This iodine e dey help stabilize heartbeat.
Ah.
And this BP wey dey do like this, e go make am dey low.
Nkechi,
Iodine salt.
Yes.
thank God Nkechi my pikin dey here. Nkechi, shey you hear?
I don hear.
From today, we go dey use salt wey get iodine.
Good.
We go dey use am.
E good. See, this iodine salt e dey help stabilize heartbeat.
Okay.
This blood pressure now wey dey do, e go make am e come dey normal. Yes.
We go
See,
dey use am.
I go just write some prescription for you wey go help you for your body. Make you make sure say you rest o.
I go there. I dey rest kwa o. I dey rest.
You dey rest.
I dey rest well well.
Nkechi,
Thank you.
oya,
Thank you.
take care. Make I dey go.
Thank you.
Take
Thank
care.
Thank you here.
Bye bye, yeah.
Thank you.
No dey think too much again, yeah.
I no dey think o.
We go make sure say we go buy that salt o.
I no dey think. Even sef since when you say make I dey chop all these things, I don dey chop am. Even as you tell me say make I no dey stress, I don all those things I don leave am.
We don do mama mo.
Dey help you.
Special joint. Welcome to Mama Special Buka.
Oga Soki, wetin be this?
Make I tell you, I dey focus on breathing.
You dey focus on breathing,
Yes.
but everybody dey breathe. Everybody wey dey live dey breathe. Okay, see, make I tell you. Me and you know say this breathing na wetin God put inside everybody wey dey live. Anybody wey no dey breathe don die be that.
Okay. Na true you talk. But make I tell you, one way to ease stress and relax your body na to focus on your breathing exercise. And now that breathing exercise, now you just to do like this. So.
Focus on breathing exercise.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes. See, make I tell you, to relieve stress and calm down your body and your mind, one thing where you need to do that this breathing exercise, if you do them, you go see your body go come relax. As you go take do them, be say you go breathe through your nose. You go breathe in, come feel air inside your lungs. You go come take small. They release the air. You go come release and finish.
Hey, Ogasoki. Make we try it now.
But try it.
I will keep on like this, Abi.
Keep on like this. Then you go breathe in air. But start. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go come hold them. When you hold them, I will come count 8 before you go begin release them. You come count 1 again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey. That's okay. This one's sweet. And I threw it talk.
Hey, this one, this one not the only exercise where they make body to relax. Then they plenty. But this one, now just one of the exercises we go help body relax.
They're plenty.
They're plenty.
Hey, that's okay. Thank you. I don't learn one. You see this one where I learn now? I'm going to do one every morning.
No be small thing. No, be here you go do them. You go your house, go do them. You go.
That's okay.
Go your house.
you.
Go your house, make I continue my own here.
Okay, bye-bye. Hey.
Welcome to this Buka joint. Hey, this na very special mama put.
Auntie Nancy. And Nancy, see, Brad, we don't begin drink again, no. You don't begin drink again.
Happy. Why you dey do this kind of thing to yourself? Why?
You want tell me say now only you no get work for this world. Where you won't kill yourself with drink?
Nancy, you want to know why? I go tell you. Now stress. Now stress. Now they make me and they drink this hot drink so that I go come out the stress. Now the stress. Now they come out.
So now because of stress, now you won't kill yourself with drink. Now stress now make you won't kill yourself with drink. Make I tell you, stress is very, very harmful. When person involve himself in alcohol, drugs, tobacco, instead when alcohol go relieve the stress wey dey for your body and to relax the body, you go increase the stress the more.
My head. My head. Sorry, sit down.
Donna, you dey ask her wetin happen. You no see say na sign of stress be that.
Stress? What of Nkechi?
Nkechi wey she don stop work since. Wey she go sell in the morning, afternoon, even night sef, she dey sell. She no get rest.
Mama Put, you don dey sell for night too.
Donna, what you say make I do? Now what you say make I do? I dey try to meet up now. Eh?
You dey ask wetin they say make you do. See, make I tell you. If person sell like this or work tire, you suppose raise the body now. Body no be firewood. At least you go sleep like 7 good hours. Rest your body.
Mama Fubi, na true you talk. True, this body no be firewood though. If person work tire, I suppose rest. I go stop this night market.
I beg try.
It's not good for my body at all. Sorry.
Special joint. Welcome to Mama Special Buka.
Brother, you call me?
Yes. You sabi Soki house?
Brother Sabia.
I want me you go take Soki. Say landlord won't see her. Nah.
Okay.
Make sure say he follow you come.
Okay. Hey, Oga Soki. I just go your house now. They can't tell me say you just dey comot. My brother, Oga landlord, they call you.
Landlord, they call me. See, I dey comot now. Tell am say when I come back in the evening, say I go come see am. Go.
No, he said make you follow me come now.
You think they're serious like this?
Yes.
Now follow you come now. Okay, we'll go see him.
What thing I want to tell you be say, I don't increase your house rent. Huh? From 5,000 to 10,000. Beginning from this month.
Okay, landlord.
Mama Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint for entertainment. Mama Put is a special kind of buka. A buka for our jolly. Mama Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint with a great difference. Mama Put is a special kind of buka. Boy. This buka is a special joint. This buka with a great difference. We dey teach you how to live your life.